Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace tail light on a Ford Focus Sedan MK3. These guys should cover the generation from 2012 probably all the way until 2016. I'm not sure about the facelift, but might be the same. So that's the Focus we're working on here, guys. Hey, don't forget to check out World Mechanics. We have amazing builds there as well. And we'll show you how to remove this outer tail light and the one on the trunk lid as well. So stay with us and we're gonna show you now, guys. What we need to do, left, right side are identical, the same procedure. You need to remove that cap there, okay? You just pull it out and sometimes they get stuck, okay, like that. And now you can see that thing right here. We need to go ahead and remove. That's one of the kind of like nuts, plastic nuts that hold the tail light in place. And there is one more after that right there. Okay, so two of them so far, not very complicated. Okay, almost out of there now. And now it's very important to know how to pull them, because there is one clip right here holding. So you need to pull a little bit this way, okay, and just grab and pull it in this angle right here. Okay, that's the clip we're talking about. Let me show you how it goes in. You see it goes in this angle like that. So if you want to remove it, guys, you can disconnect the wires from there too, but if you just want to replace the tail light itself, okay, that's how it is. You can see we got it out now. And now the one on the tail light, on the tailgate right here on the trunk lid, there is one plastic holder right here. Go ahead and remove that one if you need to replace that one as well. Okay, pretty easy so far. And if you guys press from underneath, you press the light, okay, it's going to pop out. It has a couple clips here and there holding, okay, and we have a few here probably. So once we remove it, we'll show you how to do it, okay, and where the clips are, so you know where to apply a little bit more pressure. That's the light now. You can disconnect it, or you can just turn the bulb counterclockwise and it will come off. Okay, let me show you now. Or you can just press right here and release it. Okay, those are the clips, two clips, okay, one here and one there. So facing this way, you know where to expect to see them. So that's the whole procedure, guys. Thank you for watching. Many more videos, especially on that Focus. If you need anything else, we have it probably on the channel. Don't forget to. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.